Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn and grow.
Down on the farm, so bright and new, lots of animals waiting for you. The cow says moo with her calf by her side. They munch on grass where the green fields hide. The sheep goes by with her little lamb. They hop and play near the red barn's jam. The pig goes oink with her bouncy piglet. Rolling in mud is their favorite ticket. The horse goes neigh with her foal so sweet, galloping fast on their happy feet. The hen goes cluck with her fluffy chick, pecking the ground with the peck, peck, peck. The duck goes quack with her duckling small. They splash in the pond and swim with all. The dog goes woof with her tiny puppy, chasing butterflies so soft and fluffy. The turkey goes gobble with her little poult, strutting in feathers with the proud jolt. The rabbit goes hop with her baby kit, nibbling on carrots bit by bit. On this farm so bright and true, every baby learns from mama too.
Thanks for singing with Brainy Bunch TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe.